Alright, this is the highest I will go. I am so tired. We've been hiking for over 3 hours just to get to this. But it's amazing. And this is the dry season. I can't even imagine how beautiful this is during the winter time. It was worth it. Baby.
Yeah.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
I'm sweating.
Yes, me too.
Costa Rica. So beautiful.